Leave it open. You need to leave it open. You have to leave it open. So nobody can get them.
Okay, watch out, David.
Coming to get it.
Watch out, David. No, not closer. Gotta put it further away so he can crawl to it. Oh.
Uh-oh.
It's okay.
You need to keep them in.
Put it over there. Put it over there. Over there. Caleb.
Get it. Little Kip. Get it. Get it. Get it. Go get it.
Aw, you chickened out. You were crawling just a second ago. Well, full crawling.
Well, crawling.
You've been crawling for a while.
I want to do it. Crawling to it. Don't knock it over.
You will, David. I promise.
Yay!
See, I told you I'd knock it over.
Uh-oh.
Okay.
What happened?
Help him pick it up.